The Korean government creates what's called an emergency care program to help those suffering from sudden illness or injury. And it overhauls current welfare programs to include young people as the president urges for more inclusiveness, presiding over a related meeting today. Our Kim Do-yeon reports.
As part of efforts to make the nation's social security and welfare system more inclusive, South Korea is creating a new emergency care system, a new policy to provide assistance for children and senior citizens when their parents or guardians are temporarily unable to do so. In addition, the government says it'll make a general care system available not just for looking after children and senior citizens, but also for all other age groups. Also, more households will be eligible to receive childcare services provided by the government, which were only provided free to low-income households. Now, as long as a certain amount is paid depending on income, the service will be made available to the middle class.
Social services which center around just low-income households will become partially paid programs to include the middle class, and we will reform regulations using welfare technology to make social services innovation attractive for investors.
This comes as President Yoon himself chaired a Social Security strategy meeting on Wednesday morning. There, he also called for the nation's social security system to be more inclusive while at the same time simplifying it so that people have better understanding of what's available for them.
이 서비스가 복잡하고 중앙정부에서 하는 게 수천 개, 지방정부에서 하는 게 만여 개 이렇게 되면은 그게 경쟁 환경이나 시장이 만들어지겠습니까?
In addition, he requested lawmakers to leave politics out of welfare issues and not to be inclined to populism just to win votes. He says making the system sustainable was a key issue. This, as the country sees the world's lowest birth rate amid a rapidly aging society.
그냥 사회적 기업이다. 난 사회보장 서비스를 한다. 그래서 일률적으로 거기에다가 돈 나눠주고 이런 식으로 해가지고는 그거는 그냥 돈을 그냥 지출하는 것에 불과한 것이지 그것이 시장화되지 않으면은 그것이 성장에 기여하는 그런 성장 동력이 되진 않습니다.
The top office says proposed strategies and actions mentioned during the meeting will lay the foundation for the administration's 5-year Social Security plan that will be announced by the end of this year. The Prime Minister and the Presidential Committee for Social Security will be in charge to make this happen. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.